Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today that is about kinetic energy and conservative of energy. So now I want to show you how to answer. So vertical lift that should be like this. For example, this one that's it on the ground and one person they will jump like this, and later that they got about the height in here that is about 2.15 meters. The question they want to find what is the speed, that means velocity at the beginning in here, and what is the time we had in time in here from here to here. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the formula in here. Kinetic energy should be equal to potential energy. So the kinetic energy that should be in this one, and potential energy that is the highest one in here. This one we have 1 over 2 mv square equal to mgh. So that is about the mass. We simplified for the both sides. Now we put number 2 go to the right, and then we put the square root for the both sides. So 3 that is about gravity. We have 9.8 meter per square second, and h that is about the height 2.15. We put this number code here. So we calculate this one, and we have 6.49, and that's about meters per square, meter per second. The next one, hand time. To find about the time in here, we can use this formula in here. So we know that when we go zoom in this way, we have another, this one that is about gravity. Gravity is opposite of velocity. So in this situation, A should be about negative 9.8. V0 that is about 6.49. We know that at the top of this one, velocity equal to number 0. We need to find the delta t from the route to the highest point here. We put this number go to the left, and we divide both sides by negative 9.8. And this one we have 0.66 seconds. So because when we go on the top, we need to go down in this way. So that's why we have this value in here. We multiply by number 2 because we need to go down at the same time with the time we go up and the time go down, they have the same. And we have 1.32 seconds. This is the end. Thank you for watching.